Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I've got my Valentine stitch marker calendar from Ellie Leva. And let's go ahead and take a look at today's stitch marker. Alright, I got to find it. We're getting down. We're getting through them. So, we're on day 7. So that's day 7. That's make it hard to open sometimes. Okay. And this one is day, don't want to throw it in the floor. Here is day 7. That is adorable. Absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. And here's what it looks like open. And here are the other ones I've gotten. Oh, days 1 through 3. And it's hiding behind there. And then days 4, 5, and 6. You can see them. And I can't even tell if I'm showing them to you. Here's 4, 5, and 6. And now I get to start on another clip. Right? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oops. I gotta add one more too. These are, I'm gonna run out of clippers. Oop, fingers. So I'm gonna add it to this one. Right here. There we go. So, there they are. And they look beautiful, bright, and cheerful. So, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for day 8. Please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.